top 5 funniest
What you
dog
for?
moment.
Oh.
You want to go down this hill with me? All right, let's go. Man, it's so white up here. It's like a sheet of paper, man. Somebody dog. Wait a minute. That's my dog. Boy!
Ready, boy?